Another giveaway again today here, March 24th, number 4 giveaway with the JW Solar USA. Well, guys, this is the system again, and like I said the last time, it has already retired. All the tests are done, and this system is gonna go to another level as I speak, guys. And this system is ready for special mission, which will be coming soon, and please expect that and maybe more upgrades coming for this system while we're going to be talking about it in the near future. As of now, I don't have much to say about it, but it's sitting here, is hosting the giveaway for this March, and that's what is all here for, presenting the winners and the gift to all participants who took part on this giveaway. So today's video, you're gonna see what I'm gonna give away, and it's not gonna be a long video. I'm not feeling well, and you guys can hear my voice all that raspy, but I've been trying. I get hit really hard by the flu. I never got a flu, you know. It's not me, but me and my wife get sick. She got sick first, and after that I end up getting it from her. So it has been going for a while now, but I hope it's all okay. It's under God's control. This is what is going on, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing here for the giveaway, and stay tuned if you're just tuning in. And I think we have one more day left for the giveaway. I suppose March has 5 Sundays in that month, so it's going to be a last one coming to wrap up the entire giveaway, hosted by this 12-volt system, the Midnight Classic and the Magnum. Them are the one hosting this entire giveaway, and with my portable generator battery pack here, which we're gonna be talking about in the future. What's more upgrades and more updates coming on this system. So stay tuned. Let's go to the giveaway. Well, this is what I have today here, guys. You've seen it on my past reviews, and read the specs for yourself and see what this thing can do. It's a 5-gallon solar shower and survival series, and you can use it for hiking, camping, outdoor activities, and it can tell you the time versus water temperature based on a 70 degrees day. So this is the thing. I'm gonna flip it over and see some of the other parts here. It's like a tap. It's on and on. You can see a durable PV material and a 5-gallon capacity, and heat absorbing. So this is good for off-gridders. You know, you can, even without electricity or sun or whatever, you can able to get your shower with a hot water. You can hang this thing and urethane, and you take all the stuff you want to do. These are tough upgrader stuff. So I just decided to do this thing, and you can read all the specs there for yourself. And if you're the lucky winner, and congratulations for this, because this is a good kit for all these guys who want to do it. You see, you can have a string there, you can hang it, you know, you can carry it like a handle. And look at the hose right here. It's 23 5/8 just hose with a shower head on it. Look at that, tells you everything. So guys, I think this is a good stuff here. You can see the guy hiking here, having a thing on the back and all that good stuff. And this is what the gallon looks like. You can see how the string here everything hanging. So I just decided I want to give this away because I'm giving things that are really important to other people. It's not, this is just something that um, being mind you guys, I'm not rich, so don't think I have all the money to do all this kind of thing, but I just have the heart to give. And I think people out there really want this, and some people don't even know how to get it. Some people don't even know that it's exists. But if you have to find it from someone else who has it and try to, or maybe introduce you guys, maybe you're not going to be the winner for today, but you're going to end up liking this thing, or you never seen before, that inspire you. I would say go for it and get it and try to do, prepare yourself for anything might happen. I'm not saying something's gonna happen, but it's always good to be prepared or being sorry. Okay, just like safety all the time. So guys, let's go and do the giveaway. Like I said, I want to do this video quick. I'm not that feeling good, but I know we're gonna make it. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it. And sign up. Make sure you don't forget to sign up for the next giveaway. That's gonna be the 30th, the last Sunday of the month of March. So we have 5 Sundays. That really skipped me. I thought I was done. Today's the last one. So I'll come up with another giveaway gift so that I can complete the entire series. As I speak here, live at the command center, JW Solar USA, live in Minnesota. I love you guys so much. So continue doing whatever you're doing. Keep on the good work, and we will get through all whatever your encounters are and your problems are, all things that you want accomplished, and we'll go from there. All right, okay, let's do the drawing. Today's contestant, I don't have a lot of people here. I think I only have 4 people, and I really want to thank the people that participated into the entire show or giveaway. I'm really proud of them. This has been a journey for everybody. Some people don't take it as anything serious or whatever. It's fine, but I think this is fun, and for people who really needs this part of things or whatever, think they can get something for free, well, it's fine, and I'm happy for them. At least they go to this stuff are going to people that really needs them, and we're gonna practice and utilize them for the future, or for in case of any emergencies or whatever, or to start their off-grid system and have to be efficient and sufficient and take care of their homes and families, or they have a new hobby they're gonna bring into their lives. Guys, I want to thank the guys that already participated and shoot me some of their videos, and you know, it's awesome. I've been seeing them, but you know, I'm gonna be putting the link on the description below on the last video where you can find all these giveaways, people, and what they've done, the unboxing their videos and all the good stuff. Or you can go on my giveaway at JW Solar USA giveaway. Alright guys, these are my contestants here for just a small number this time, and so just 4 people, and thanks for taking part into the drawing. And these people have been part of this drawing, and they trying for their luck, and I'm glad for your courage and for participating. And this is the name right now I have here for you guys. Arcane is the first on the drawing. Off-Grid Living St. Lucia, second. John Wick, third. Divorce the Horse, number 4, the 4th one. So these are the people we're gonna be drawing today, and everything is already plugged on the lucky wheel, and we're gonna start from here, putting this thing, and let's fire it up. The second round, second winner. That's Arcane. Congratulations. And let's try who's going to be in third position here. So John Wick is the third. If the first guy don't get it, the second and the third will be John Wick. Thanks guys for taking part into this thing, and stay tuned. So far so good. As you guys have seen the winners, the drawing, this has been the first position is Divorce the Horse. Congratulations to you. And the second in place, if Divorce the Horse don't want it, is going to give it to Earl Kane. He came number 2. And John Wick is number 3 week. So if Divorce the Horse, contact me. If you're not interested into this giveaway, then I can pass it on to Earl Kane. And this device is going to be shipped to him. In as much as Divorce the Horse is the lucky guy who won this, and Divorce the Horse is in Minnesota, so that makes it really easy. I can just call him up, or I can just drive there and drop his gift. Well, that makes it really easy for me. But if Divorce the Horse don't want it, then I'm gonna be shipping this to Florida, so he can meet Earl Kane. But Divorce the Horse, contact me after you watch this video. If you're interested, then I can pass it on. If you're not interested, so I can pass it on. And thank you guys all. Waiting to see you back next week right here on this channel, JW Solar USA. Love you guys all. Bye bye.